Top 5 things I wish I knew in my 20s. The transition from my 20s to my 30s is over, and I feel relieved, but I would never want to go back and do anything differently from when I was in my 20s. However, it's important to realize that there are things I wish I had known, and that's what this video is going to be about. If you are keen on knowing about the things you should know in your 20s, make sure to watch this video until the end as I tell you about the 5 things I wish I knew in my 20s. Oh, and by the way, on this channel, I share a lot of tips on how you can improve your physical health, mental health, and just boost your personal growth. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1. Look for opportunities to improve yourself. This depends on what you feel you need to improve in your life. An investment in one's own well-being is always worthwhile. The majority of professionals will eventually rise, but those who are committed to advancing will invest in their own professional growth. Focusing on improving your well-being, your productivity, and your ability to carry on for the long term is a smart choice. These will help you achieve your goals of balance and talent. Number 2. Evaluating your relationships. Don't hang out with jerks. You should show up to friends and family who are in your life. There will be times in your life, especially in your 30s and 40s, you will need support, and others will need you to support them. Friends will marry, will divorce, and many other life-altering events will occur in the next decade. Be dependable, show up, and make time for them. Number 3. The only expectations you should meet are your own. Society sets many standards that you should meet, but you don't have to live up to them. It's all about living your life. You have the right not to have children, not to marry, and not to work in a job that others don't understand. Some goals may be difficult to achieve, but if you keep going, those who doubted you will be among the first to congratulate you. Number 4. Don't stress yourself so much. Regardless of your age, life has a way of falling into place. Many of our worries never come true, and those that do tend to work themselves out and lead to great outcomes. It will become clear to you one day at a time, 1 year at a time. Have faith in yourself while taking pleasure in the journey. Number 5. Put your money into your own health. Be eating healthfully and exercising immediately. Poor diet and insufficient exercise cause a number of health issues that can cost thousands or even millions of dollars, destroying lifetime savings. Find enjoyable ways to exercise and eat healthy. The earlier you take responsibility for your decisions, the longer and healthier your life will be. This will result in spending more time bonding with the people you love. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the Health Yard for more health-related content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.